for the PBMA Weekly Update, hosted by Mrs. Cooper.
Hello, this is Mrs. Cooper with the weekly update for the week of February 7th, 2025. Here are some upcoming events. Please return your student's re-enrollment packet as soon as possible. Charter school students must re-enroll every single year. So please send back your completed packet as soon as you can, because we are now opening up the registration to students who are new to PBMA, and then your student's application might have to join the lottery. Please email me if you need an additional packet. Thank you. This Saturday, February 8th, is our next open house for students who are new to PBMA. 10 o'clock a.m. is for the elementary campus, and 11 o'clock a.m. is for the secondary campus. Please tell any friends or family who might be interested in joining the PBMA family. This is also a great opportunity for incoming kindergartners to see the elementary campus and for our fifth graders to see the secondary school. Next Friday is Valentine's Day. I have sent home order forms to pre-order beautiful live carnations at the elementary campus. Carnations cost $2 each, or 3 for $5. They will also be on sale on Valentine's Day, and on that day the students will get to select from a variety of beautiful colors. We are having a Valentine's Day dance for students in 4th and 5th grade. The dance will be on Thursday, February 13th, from 4:30 p.m. until 6 o'clock p.m. It will be in the elementary cafeteria. Tickets can be bought at the front desk for $20 each. Food and drink will be provided. The Spring Book Fair will be Monday, February 17th through Friday, February 21st. Of course, we need parent volunteers to help out. Shifts are 8 o'clock a.m. until 11 o'clock a.m. and 11:30 a.m. until 2 o'clock p.m. If you're able to volunteer, please send me an email. Saturday and Sunday, February 22nd and February 23rd, is the Lake Worth Street Painting Festival. PBMA students and staff will create beautiful chalk artworks on the streets of Lake Worth Beach. Please stop by to take a look. Monday, February 24th, is a teacher work day. No school for students. Spring break is March 22nd through March 31st. Students will return on Tuesday, April 1st. Save the date for our spring Astro Skate Night. Skate Night will be Thursday, April 17th at 6 o'clock p.m. The next day is the spring holiday, so come on out and skate with us.
And here is a word from our administration.
Hi, PBMA families. It's Mrs. Smith, your elementary school principal. We are working super hard here at school, getting ready for our PM3 assessments, and all of our children are growing and flourishing. We're really excited to see all the learning gains taking place. Parents, we need your help too. Please make sure you are working with your child at home. Read to your child each night, ask questions about the text, and they'll be more prepared and more successful here at school. We appreciate your support.
Greetings, PBMA family. This is your principal, Ms. Stone, with a few quick reminders. SAT school day is quickly approaching for our juniors and seniors that need entrance exams for college as well as for scholarships. This test can also assist students who still need to pass the 10th grade FAST ELA reading test. Please note all teachers are offering tutoring this school year, both virtual and in person, both before school and after school. If your student scored a level 1 or level 2 on their math or reading test, please ensure that you send them to tutoring. Please also keep in mind we are still a uniform dress school. All students must be in their PBMA gear. Any student out of uniform will be loaned one of our uniforms, or you will receive a call home to pick them up. Also, please be reminded we have a ton of jackets and sweaters in our lost and found. If they are not claimed, we will donate them to our local shelters for those students who need those gently used clothes. Thank you for being awesome sharks, and let's rock out this week.
This week I'm at the elementary campus. This week is special. It's National School Counselors Week. So I have with me Ms. Macy, our elementary school counselor. How's it going?
Hi, it's going so good.
How does it feel to have a week all for yourself?
It feels great. I love getting to be a school counselor. It was literally my dream job. So this is my first official school counselors week. So it's been great.
Well, we sure hope you enjoy your week. We will have a couple surprises for you later on. So thank you. And I'll see you next time for another Dive In with Andropont and Meet the Shark Crew.
Yearbooks are on sale. Yearbooks can be purchased online for the elementary and middle high campuses on yearbookordercenter.com. Search for the school and select the appropriate campus. Order code is 26384 for elementary and 26591 for middle and high. In STEM, students in grades K to 2 learned how to build an oval or round track and then place the blue action brick near a house to refuel the train. In grades 3 to 5, students worked on problems and solutions with limited resources by building a Big Little Helper robot, while improving on others' ideas to develop a new program. On Thursday, our 5th graders explored the PBMA Middle School. The students received a guided tour from our seniors, participated in science and art activities, and games. They also enjoyed a pizza and ice cream lunch. Finally, here are our kindergartners celebrating the 100th day of school by participating in many 100 math activities. Please like Palm Beach Maritime on Facebook and subscribe to our YouTube channel so you're always informed of the newest information. I'm Mrs. Cooper. Thanks for watching And remember, an engaged parent is a great parent.